Well, the first time I actually found out about Bangor University was through a friend, and then I had a look on the Bangor website and I had a look at some of the work they did, what they offered.
I knew that Bangor was a lovely area. It gave good student support, but I did look online obviously, and I went on UCAS and I was looking at product design courses, and this one popped up.
So I obviously submitted my application along with my personal statement, and then I got an email a couple of weeks later asking if I wanted to join a Microsoft Teams session where they did an interview.
I'd never done an online interview before, so I was very nervous. Started the interview and it was very laid back, just in a way that made you comfortable, and it was lovely, and all the lecturers were there on camera, and then I got taken into separate little Microsoft Teams room. We looked through my portfolio because we had to submit a digital portfolio of the work we'd done. Nothing too difficult at all, no trick questions, nothing to trip you up, just talking in general about what it was that you were doing and what you wanted to do and what you wanted to get out of doing a course at Bangor. It was a very relaxing, very good, informative interview, and then just finished the interview, and then I ended up getting an offer a few hours later. Basically, yeah, I was not expecting it to go that well.
Let's have a look at it, just so kind of I know I'm along with you on the journey.
I would recommend definitely go and have a look at the open day, definitely, because I never had a chance to go and experience that. That is just a great way to have a look around Bangor and what the course offers.
The social medias, which you can find on the website, definitely have a look at those. There's a UniBuddy chat room service, and it's on the website, it's on the Bangor University website, and Pareter is the guy who's on the other side of it talking to you, and ask any question at all, because they always reiterate here that the only stupid question is the one that you don't ask.